We've already talked about how socks are a nice, easy, white element of your wardrobe. You're probably going to have white socks, and they're easy to get if you don't. But we haven't talked about what to do on shoes. Shoes, of course, are going to go over and wrap your socks. Now, even if you find a white shoe, like we have here, odds are there's still going to be some color in it. And a big reality check here, the ancient Egyptians didn't have sneakers. So there's something that's lost in the translation, something that is taken away from your costume when you wear shoes as a mummy. You need to ask yourself, do you actually need shoes for the evening? Now, you may need them outdoors, and definitely if you're walking around outside or doing any driving, wear shoes. But ask yourself, after you get to the party or the event, would you be okay walking around without shoes indoors? If so, that's great, because what you can do is by just wearing white socks, you can just extend the wrappings of your costume we're going to talk about beyond your pant leg and down onto your socks.